How to choose the right email marketing program. Email marketing is a powerful tool in today's tech-oriented, internet-based world. It can be used to interact with a customer base to increase profits, as well as gain new customers. As powerful as the tool is, it can be easily misused. There is a very thin line between email marketing and spam. Luckily, the following video will help you use email marketing without spamming unnecessarily. You, or someone else, should proofread your email before you send it to customers. Ensure that it is free from typographical and grammatical errors. You should also make certain that the message flows easily. By checking these 3 issues are addressed, your email marketing will have a professional appearance. Identify and appeal to your audience. As you increase your readership, encourage your subscribers to have their friends opt in to receive your emails, too. Always include a subscribe link in your email, hopefully people will pass it on to their friends who might have an interest in what you have to offer. Your email base can really grow this way. Keep your content current and variable, do not just repeatedly send out the same 5 messages repeatedly. If you want to keep people's attention, there needs to be something fresh, or their attention will go elsewhere. If they wanted round-the-clock commercials, they would just stay at home watching home shopping channels. Even if some of them do that, give them something different when they check their inbox. As stated before, in a world dominated by the internet, email marketing is a powerful tool. Though it can be used for good purposes, such as interacting with potential and current customers, it can be misused as well, taking on the form of spam. When you use email marketing, keep this video in mind and your messages won't end up in your recipient's spam folder. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.